Welcome to our comparison of the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 and the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 processors. In this video, we will delve into the specifications, performance, and overall value of these two CPUs. The Ryzen 5 5500 offers a solid performance for budget-conscious users, while the Ryzen 5 7600 boasts the latest technology and higher performance capabilities. Let's find out which one is the better choice for you. The AMD Ryzen 5 5500 is built on the Zen 3 architecture, which provides solid performance for gaming and general tasks. In contrast, the Ryzen 5 7600 utilizes the newer Zen 4 architecture, offering significant performance improvements and efficiency. This advancement allows the 7600 to handle more demanding applications and workloads, making it a better choice for users seeking high performance. The Ryzen 5 5500 is compatible with the AM4 platform, which has been around for a while and offers a more affordable upgrade path for users. On the other hand, the Ryzen 5 7600 requires the newer AM5 platform, which supports the latest technologies like DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0. While the AM5 platform provides future-proofing, it also means additional costs for a new motherboard and memory. The AMD Ryzen 5 5500 supports DDR4 memory, which is widely available and cost-effective. However, the Ryzen 5 7600 takes advantage of the newer DDR5 memory technology, offering higher bandwidth and improved performance. This difference in memory support can significantly impact overall system performance, especially in memory-intensive applications. In conclusion, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 offers superior performance and future-proofing with its Zen 4 architecture and DDR5 support, making it an excellent choice for high-end users. However, the Ryzen 5 5500 remains a strong contender for budget-conscious buyers looking for solid performance on the AM4 platform. If you're considering an upgrade, weigh your options carefully based on your needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.